If you have $1,000 to invest in 2026, where should you put it? Stocks, crypto, ETFs, or just leave it in a savings account? Most Americans make the wrong choice and lose thousands in missed opportunities. Today, I'll show you exactly how I would invest $1,000 in 2026, step by step, for beginners, safely and smartly. Before investing, understand this: $1,000 is small money, but time can make it huge. Investing is not gambling, it's putting your money to work. You need discipline, patience, and knowledge, not luck. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. But don't be afraid to start small. Before investing, make sure you have at least 1 month of expenses saved. Why? Life is unpredictable. Market drops, emergencies happen. If you don't have this safety net, put $1,000 in a high-yield savings account first. After your emergency fund is ready, invest 50% $500 in broad market ETFs, S&P 500 Index ETF, SPY, Total Market ETF VTIY ETFs. Diversification: you own hundreds of companies at once, lower risk. Then single stocks, historically 7 to 10% annual returns, next 30% $300, high quality individual. Stocks: focus on blue chip companies with growth potential, examples Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. Avoid hype stocks or trending crypto rule. Never put more than 30% of small money in a single stock. With the last 20% to $100, consider small bets. Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum only if you understand it. Fractional shares or rights, real estate investment trusts, peer-to-peer lending, or micro-investing apps. Goal: small exposure, not gambling. Investing isn't just putting money in an account. Learn about compounding, risk management, and market trends. Reinvest dividends and gains. Keep growing monthly contributions. Even if it's small, $1,000 today can turn into $10,000, $20,000 in 10 years with consistency. Common beginner mistakes: panic selling during dips, chasing hype, investing everything in one asset. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. If I had $1,000 today, I'd invest 50% ETFs, 30% blue chip stocks, 20% small alternative investments. Start small. Be consistent. Learn as you go. Subscribe to Dollar Wisdom for more step-by-step investing guides for beginners and smart money strategies.